To be competitive in today's fast-paced global market, product and software development companies need to approach each development project with an appropriate and realistic project management methodology. This brief presentation will introduce the two basic approaches to project management, as well as the context in which your projects may benefit from their use. The first approach we'll discuss is the traditional project management methodology. Other names for this type of approach are waterfall and document-driven. As the waterfall name suggests, this methodology focuses on breaking a project into concrete phases, and then ensuring each preceding phase is completed before moving on to the next phase, much like a waterfall starts at the top and flows downwards until it reaches the bottom or end. Additionally, as the document-driven name suggests, this methodology requires that each of the hierarchical phases is fully defined and established, complete with extensive documentation at the beginning of the project as well as within each phase. In this traditional project management methodology, emphasis is placed on the Systems Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, which focuses on upfront planning and long-term milestones. For this reason, the traditional approach works well for projects that are stable and process-oriented, or may include numerous requirements and formal standards. The other basic approach to project management is the Agile methodology, which responds rapidly to change by focusing on communication and face-to-face interactions between all project stakeholders to ensure everyone's needs are met. According to the Agile Manifesto, the four main values of the Agile methodology are individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and finally, responding to change over following a plan. The Agile methodology can be further broken into sub-approaches, such as Scrum and Kanban. Scrum operates with 3 roles and several procedures. The roles include Product Owner, Development Team, and Scrum Master, and the procedures include sprint planning meetings, sprints, daily stand-ups at a Scrum board, and sprint backlogs. Scrum works best for small collaborative teams, as this approach requires daily meetings and encourages shared work. Kanban, listed as an Agile approach formally, lies between the siloed practices of the traditional methodology and the synchronous communication practices of the Agile methodology. Unlike Scrum, which works best for small teams, Kanban can work well for larger groups and can support specialized roles and skill sets. Additionally, because Kanban is able to handle a lot of interruptions, reactive and repeatable work, such as maintenance work, is often best managed through this approach. Today, we reviewed the two basic project management methodologies for product and software development, the traditional and the Agile methods. Additionally, we looked at 2 sub-approaches within the Agile framework, the Scrum and the Kanban methods. Hopefully, the knowledge provided today will help you choose the best methodology for your projects going forward. Thank you and good luck.
Created using Powtoon.